Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to build and test our project. So click on build here and click on build solution. And you can see the status here says build started. And now you can see build succeeded. So we can head over to our debug folder and run it directly. Inside bin, there's a debug folder. So just double click to run the red. Okay, now the red has run. We can open a command terminal and just run netstat to check and confirm that it is running. netstat-dan and hit enter. Scroll up and you will see the port 4444 is listening. Now let's clear the screen and telnet to our server at port 4444. Immediately you see the greeting connected to red server, type 1 for help. So this greeting is coming from this line. This is useful to let the telnet client user know that everything is well and ready to accept commands, and also to tell the user that he can type 1 for help. So we type 1, hit enter, and you will see the command menu. So now we'll test the second command, which is number 2, message. So we press 2 on the keyboard and then hit enter, and immediately you will see the hello world message pops up at the bottom. Now we will test the beep command. So we click in here and then we press 3 on the keyboard, hit enter, and that was the beep sound. Now we press number 4, play sound, hit enter. That was the chime sound. So in case you didn't hear that, I will try one more time, number 4. Now we can shut down the server, port, press 5, hit enter, and the server has shut down. Okay, let's try it one more time. This time we will simulate a disconnection error from the telnet client. So let's run the server one more time, and then come back here, clear the screen, CLS to clear the screen, telnet localhost, hit enter, type 1 for command menu, press 3 for beep. Now we'll simulate a disconnection error by simply closing the command terminal. Now we'll open again a new command terminal and try to connect to see whether the server is still alive. Telnet localhost 4444. Yes, it is still alive. Hit 1 for command menu, type 4 for play sound. So it's working. So our server is robust. It is able to work as usual, not even if there is a sudden connection error from the client. So that's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.